welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I'm having a good day. I have a box for you today, and it is a regular box on my channel, and it's the Adore box, and it comes like this, all in a black envelope. I don't know why they call it the Adore box. It is a bag. It's a bag. Anyway, this is a beauty and lifestyle subscription box. It is $15 a month, and you can get makeup, hair care products, face masks, beauty products. You can get sunglasses even. So, I mean, it just depends on what they're feeling like giving. So we're gonna get in, open in this box and see what we have. It's a pain to try and get open. Come on now. Okay, well, we got a piece of it open. Oh, well, it's open now. So that is, I kind of crunched it all up, but that's what it looks like on the inside. Let's get our card out. And that's a list of the things that are in our bag. And it says, what's in my November bag? Let's see. This is Sweet Breath Spearmint Breath Spray. Full size is $5.99. Sweeten your breath before parties. There's the during conversations or before the big game. Available at Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens. And I'm just kind of don't care about this at all, honestly. Okay. This is open. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is open. Look, I did not open that. It has spilled everywhere. You can see. There's barely anything in it. I will not be using this. I will not. Yeah, smells like spearmint, but I will not be using this. That makes me angry. I didn't open this. This is terrible. Oh, and there's something in it. See it down there? It's on this side and the back. Can you see it? There's something in ill. We won't be using that. That will go in the garbage. I wonder if it got all over my stuff in my bag too. Oh, you can smell it in there. Oh, all right, let's keep going. I'm gonna be optimistic here. I'm gonna try and be a very optimistic person. But I'm a little upset that that's in there. And then we have Cicaplast. I have no idea. There's two of them. Let's see. Cicaplast Soothing Multi-Purpose Balm. Helps nourish and soothe dry skin. Available at CVS and Walgreens. Full size of this is $14.99. Okay, so it's just a little tube. Yeah, I wouldn't pay $14.99. This is just a little tiny one. This is, I can't even see it even with bifocals on, but we got two of them. I don't know why I got two of them, but I got two of them. And there's no safety seal. Comes out, looks like toothpaste if you ask me. Feels like toothpaste. No smell. No smell. I don't know. I just, honestly, a lotion's a lotion. There's no scent whatsoever. So, I mean, you know, I'll use it, but nothing to write home to mom about, you know. Okay, and then this is what I pulled out. This is some Sorme. Is that what that says? Sorme? Tasty Tubes. Full size of this is $15, and this is Sheer Shiny Lip Gloss Moisture and Gloss in one tasty tube. So does it taste good? Is that why it's called? Oh well, isn't that just the neatest little package? There's it's kind of like a actual tube. Oh well, that's different and strange. How are you supposed to put it on? You see what I mean? How are you supposed to put it on? There's the lid. Did I open it wrong or something? I did. What the heck? Oh my goodness. Are you serious? I don't know about this stuff. There's a, it's kind of like a, and then it comes up through. It's really thick. Ew. It stinks too. It doesn't smell good. There's no taste. I don't know why they call it Tasty Tubes. Anyway, that's some, it's a pretty color. I do like the color. I'm kind of not. That's nice, but the name kind of throws me. It's Tasty Tubes. The color is Punch. That's the color. And it, there's no taste to it. It actually feels like Elmer's glue on my lips. Every time I try to talk, my lips are sticking together. Yeah. Okay, on to the next. We're still remaining optimistic here. Still remaining optimistic. And this is Sorbet. Again, same company, Sorbet Natural Tea Tree Blotting Papers. And the full size of these are $11. Holidays coming up, blot that shine away. I've seen these before. Nothing to, you know. Oh, I had so many high hopes for this box. My first one was amazing, and it seems to be the thing with these subscription boxes. You get your first one and they're like, let's wow her so we can keep her coming back. Well, guess what? I ain't nobody's fool. I will cancel this box because I'm really upset over the fact that the Sweet Breath, something that you spray in your mouth, was already open. So that means somebody already put it near their mouth and sprayed it in their mouth. I ain't the one. I'm not going to be putting that near my mouth. But here are the blotting papers, and let me open this up so you can see the color. There, they're just, you take one and you do this. Not very greasy. That is from my lips. Watch. There we go. Got some of that stuff off. That's the blotting papers. These are nice to have to carry in your purse in case, you know, you're sweaty or, you know, greasy. Your face gets a little greasy. They're nice to have. Very nice. I don't mind that. I'm not hating on that. I'm hating on that Sweet Breath stuff. That's what I'm hating on. I'm a little upset with it right about this moment. Now I can't get this closed. Good lordy. What is going on here? Oh, it's got a sticker. Come on now. Come on now. It's got a sticker on it. That's why I couldn't close it. All right. So there's our blotting papers, and it shows you here where you should blot in the cheeks and side of your nose, stuff like that. Okay, I think we have one more thing in here. Yeah, one more thing. And this is a Kat Von D Shade Light Blush. Full size is $26. Oh, come on. And here is is the package. Two beautiful shades to complement any skin tone, and this is light blush. And there's the colors there. Let's see if we can get this open without destroying the package, because the package is beautiful looking. And we may have to destroy the package to get into this. Come on. There we go. Yep, I had to kind of rip the package to get into it, but that's all right. It's okay. Oh, isn't that just so cute? Okay, this says shade and light blush, two-tone blush, and define your cheeks through the art of color. And it's a pamphlet, tells you how and where to apply the blush, and there it is. Let's see if we can open this without any. There we go. Those are very pretty colors. I do like those colors. Let's see here. Very nice. Give you nice red rosy cheeks. Well, not red, kind of a plum color. There we go. How's that? Ta-da! It usually takes longer than that, but that's a very nice little compact. Would I pay $26 for this? Mm-mm. No, I would not. I would not pay $26 for that, ever. Never. I'm still questioning why I paid $15 for this box. I am a little upset that my product was open. And I got some blotting papers and some one-use balm, I think that's what they call it. And this is like Elmer's glue in a tube, this lip gloss. Yeah. And then this being open, that concerns me. I actually am an affiliate for this box, but I still pay for it. So I expect to receive products that are not open, especially being an affiliate, and getting open products concerns me. And I did email them 3 times now. I've emailed them and they have yet to answer my email. You would think if you're an affiliate, they would be like right on top of that, but they're not, so it is what it is. I may be canceling this box. Let me know what you guys would do. Would you keep this box? I don't get anything for being an affiliate. I think it's like 50 cents every time somebody signs up, honestly. To me, it's not worth it. $15, and if nobody signs up, then I don't make anything anyway, so it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Like, so... And that's just me being honest with you guys. You know, that's how I am on this channel. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to pretend that I'm happy with this box because I might make 50 cents if you sign up. That's just not me. That's not how I am. And, you know, they can not let me be an affiliate. I really don't. I feel like if you're going to have people get this box and do basically a commercial for your box, you know, free advertisement, because I feel like it's free advertisement. I pay for this box. This box came out of my pocket. They did not send me this box. So I feel like if they're gonna do this, at least send products that aren't open. That is my biggest thing with this right now. Aside from everything that I got, I may or may not use any of it. Definitely won't use the lip gloss. I probably will only get to use the balm, the lotion, one application. Look, that's a lot of body to cover with that little tube. Come on. I probably get to use that one time. It's a one-time use. And the blotting papers, I don't know if I'll really ever use them. And the blush, yeah, I'll use it. Or I might not, you know. I don't know. I just feel like I'm not gonna lie to you guys and tell you that I liked it, because it didn't. I'm really kind of concerned that I received an open product. It's all over the inside of the bag. Everything smells like peppermint now. So, I mean, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, if you want to give this box a try, I'll leave the link down below. And, you know, it's my affiliate link. I get, like, I don't know, 50 cents or something. I don't know. But I may not be an affiliate after this video. Anyway, because I'm not one to like to receive open products. Period, point blank. Never. Especially one that is going to go in your mouth. No. Nope. Not today. Not today. So, alright guys, well that's it for this video. I'll leave the link down below and you guys can click on it, or you can just keep it moving and you don't have to click on it. It is what it is. And if you get the Adore box, did you receive something that was open? I'd like to know, because I sure did. I can't even use the sweet breath. I guess I'm gonna have to go use my scope. Right. All right, guys, that's it. I'm done rambling on and just making you hang out with me. Although I did miss you guys. But I will have another video following this one, of course. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here. Bye now.